Hey guys, this is Sompulika and we are back with another video. Well, you want a laptop with a good RAM, a fast processor, good battery life, a great display and awesome gaming capacities. So I think I've got you the best deal. This is the HP 15-inch Pavilion series notebook. Let's unbox it quickly. So before getting to the details, let us see the externals. The externals look amazing. Coming from HP, as I always say, the brand gives awesome, good quality laptops, in fact good quality products. So the similar case can be seen for this laptop as well. Now the connectivity is great as well. You get two 3.0 fast charging ports, the traditional 2.0 USB. So that's the third one, and you also have a SD card reader right over here with the CD. And here you have the HDMI port. There is just one HDMI port. There is the headphone jack and the Ethernet port. Now here the battery is a 41 watt hour 3-cell battery that is really nice and long lasting. You have the speakers right over here, 1 and 2. Now sad note, this is not B&O speakers that HP offers on every laptop at this price range, but things have changed. They have enhanced their own speakers, so this will give you the output, and the only part that you won't get is the B&O equalizer that comes inbuilt. It weighs a total of 1.86 kilograms, and it's not completely light but not completely heavy as well. It has an FHD anti-glare display, which is the part I love about this laptop, because you can hardly see anything on a regular display in sunlight. But on this one, the anti-glare display just does its job so well. As you may have noticed, this one has the old school keypad with dedicated keys right over here instead of the integrated ones which we see nowadays. This guy runs on Windows 10, and as you know, Windows 10 is really fluid. This laptop has Intel i3 6th generation processor in it, so it is awesome, and it is really great to have that processor. The 6th generation is the latest for the i3, so we have that in this laptop, and we also have a 1 terabyte HDD memory. The memory type is HDD, so yes, you have a HDD drive in it. Apart from that, you have a 2 GB graphic card from AMD, and it's the AMD Radeon 520 series. It has an 8 GB DDR4 RAM. Now 8 GB RAM, but it is DDR4. DDR4 is the latest for the RAM variants, and you have packed 8 GB in it. So the obvious answer for your question will be yes. But we will be taking care of the testing right here in this video. So these are the Geekbench of the two laptops that I compared. So let's test some hardcore games on this. Just kidding, not this one. This is one of the hardcore games called the BeamNG Drive, and it's superb. It's with awesome graphics, and in the older PC that I compared this with, it used to run a bit more laggy than what it runs now. So as you can see, the swapping time was not very fast. It's not a gaming laptop, but this laptop, being a daily use laptop, can also run games. Just look at the graphics of this game. It's amazing. That is something mean. Let's take that. There you go. Just that is really fast. I mean, on the other laptop, I'll show you the other laptop as well, but this is amazing. It's very fast. So if you don't know this game, I'll say it again. It's called BeamNG Drive. It's pretty famous actually. It's a super simulator. It's a crash simulator. slow-mo, and I don't feel lags at all. Okay, I quit. So guys, I think this laptop is really worth for your money because it offers great gaming capacity, great hardware, a good software. It's latest Windows 10. That's the farthest you can reach till now. So you have that, you have 8 GB DDR4 RAM, and believe me, the clock speed is 1000 gigahertz. That is really amazing. In fact, the Radeon being R5, that can beat with this configuration a laptop of R7 Radeon graphic card. That is really amazing. The one I compared is the R7. This is R5, a version that is below the R7, but still every configuration works perfectly to give you the best output of this laptop. So I think this is really a great deal for you. So what do you think? Are you gonna buy it? If yes, I've put the links right in the description. I've also put some links for the gadgets or accessories you will be requiring for the laptop. So go check them out as well. And if you want to buy a gaming mouse, I've put the link to the gaming mouse right here. I've reviewed it, so go check it out. It's really cheap, $5, that's it. Go check that out, it's amazing. And as always, if you like my video, please hit the like button, share this video, and if you're new around here, please subscribe so that you don't miss our awesome tech videos. Think about tech, think about us. We answer your tech questions. Subscribe to me and stay tuned. Thank you guys, this is Som Pulikar and we'll see you next time.